You've been crying in silence, and you're wondering, God, do you even see me? Listen, every tear you cried, God counted it. Every night you felt alone, He was standing right beside you. When your heart broke into pieces, He was the one holding it all together. When people walked away, God stayed. I know you feel forgotten, but heaven has not forgotten your name. The Bible says He is close to the brokenhearted. God has been carrying you through battles you didn't even know existed. You might think that nothing is changing, but behind the scenes, God is shifting things in your favor that you just can't see yet. Your story is not ending in pain. God is rewriting it with purpose, with strength, and with healing. You are not abandoned. God sees you, He hears you, and He is fighting for you right now. If you believe God still sees you, comment "He sees me" down below, follow the Beatz breaker, and share this with someone you know who's hurting.